Today we will be creating a CDC-based saga to react to database changes. Before we begin, we will need a CDC runner. We can go to the one we are going to use via the DevOps app. Here we will define a CDC stream. We can use the generic CDC stream element and override the offset state. Now, we open the saga screen. From here, we create a new saga and assign it an ID. We then click the edit icon to configure it. In the definition tab, we give the saga a name, define its path, and set the status to active. We also select the stream from our CDC runner as the allowed on stream for this saga. This saga will contain a single event step. Whenever a dummy record changes in the database, we will create a quick build record with the name dummy CDC. To do that, we select the right event handler and the create action. We will also give the input pattern that gives the newly created record its name. Now we switch to Postman and create a new record in the dummy database table. When the record is created, a CDC event is emitted and triggers our saga. Now, if we search records with the name dummy CDC in the quick build table, we will see the record created. With this setup, we've created a simple CDC saga that reacts automatically to data changes in the database.